Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by pairing and authorizing quickly. Put the watch on, open the companion app on your phone, and complete the Bluetooth pairing flow. Give the app notification and SMS permissions so messages can pass through. Without these, the watch won't receive content. Make sure background app refresh and location, if required, are enabled for continuous delivery. Once paired and permissions granted, you're ready to move into app-level notification settings to control which messages appear. Next, you fine-tune how message alerts behave. In the companion app, tap Notifications, then select the messaging apps you want mirrored, SMS, WhatsApp, Messenger, so the watch receives those notifications. Make choices about previews versus hidden content for privacy, and set vibration or sound intensity for tactile feedback. Also check your phone's focus or do not disturb settings and add the companion app as an exception. Otherwise, notifications may be blocked. After saving, send a test message to verify delivery. Finally, complete the setup on the watch itself. Open Settings, right arrow Notifications, and make sure the companion app is allowed and notification style is set to show banners/alerts. If messages still don't appear, restart both devices, toggle Bluetooth off/on, and check for app or firmware updates. Many issues clear after a reboot. As one key troubleshooting tip, disable any battery optimization for the companion app on your phone. Battery savers can block notification delivery and mimic pairing failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.